but the budget is allocated only on the list of the budget list, but never implement and never provide the quality of the road and the infrastructure, sir. Every day, every year they paid the tax, sir, but they didn't get the quality of the road and the infrastructure, sir. Item number 404, question to the Ministry of Road and Transport. I request honorable member of the House to ask the questions. First of all, thank you to Honorable Speaker Madam for giving me the opportunity to speak on the floor. First of all, I would like to ask the question to the government that every year, every second and every moment of the life we hear and we read the articles in the newspaper that many of the innocent individuals were lost their life. Who is the responsible, sir?
Same.
You never feel their pain and you never know the value of their lives and you never know the pain of their families. They struggle without them, sir.
Same.
झील में पानी बरसता इस देश में, सर. झील में पानी बरसता इस देश में, खेत पानी को तरसता इस देश में. जिंदगी का हाल खतासा है यहाँ, और तो और क्या सर, यहाँ दूध महंगा और खून सस्ता है इस देश में. Every single moment, sir, every single moment we hear that many accidents we have faces. Why, sir? Why not your party people faces the accident? Because every year, sir, road and transport ministry have got the budget, but the budget is allocated only on the list of the budget list, but never implement and never provide the quality of the road and the infrastructure, sir. In 2014, the debt of the road and the transport ministry is just 34,000, sir, and now it is 3,40,000 crore, but the quality is decreased day by day, sir. Every year, sir, we faces road accident, bus accident, and the many accident we have faces. Why not government started the strict laws to the people? You don't know the value of the life, sir, because you are the people who travel in the luxurious with the heavy safety. Every day, every year they paid the tax, sir, but they didn't get the quality of the road and the infrastructure, sir. Thank you. I request Minister of Road and Transport, please answer the questions.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, ma'am. I would like to start with a शायरी. मंजिल तो मिल ही जाएगी भटकने से ही सही, मंजिल तो मिल जाएगी भटकने से ही सही, गुमराह तो वो लोग हैं जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. As they asked that after 2014 these many accidents is happened, I would like to focus on the before the 2014. Before the 2014 there is more than a 2 lakh cases of the accident is happen, and they don't know and they didn't do anything. But we now adding a chapter of traffic awareness in the schools or in the colleges. We are adding the chapter that how to drive, don't drink and drive, and how to use a dipper, and how to take a U-turn, or these type of awareness we are teaching to the students, so they can drive safely. Speaker ma'am, I also want to say that we are starting a Bharatmala project. In Bharatmala project, we are connecting Gujarat, Kutch to Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, to Jammu Kashmir, to Assam, to Kanyakumari, whole India in the one mala from border to border. It will help to our army. They can supply their ammunition and their foods border to border very easily. We are making bridges where between the bridges and roads equally on all borders of the India. Thank you, Speaker man.
608, question to the Ministry of Defense, I request Honorable Member of the House to ask the questions.
Honorable Speaker Madam, I am thankful to you from depth of my heart for giving me a chance to speak on the floor. Start with शायरी. अग्निवीर कह कह कर रणछोर बने बैठे हो, अग्निवीर कह कह कर रणछोर बने बैठे हो, खून गर्म होने से पहले आग बुझा बैठे हो. अब वीरों के साथ तुमने घोर अन्याय किया है, 4 साल की अवधि देकर कहां का न्याय किया है. As BJP party implemented Agnipath scheme in which 25% will be permanent and 75% are sent back after 4 years. After 4 years, what will Agniveer do if the government has any answer? हे नाथ, आप क्यों घबराए हो? हे नाथ, आप क्यों घबराए हो? क्या सीमा विवाद नहीं सुलझा पाए हो? पूछते हैं गालिब, बता दीजिए क्या चीनी लद्दाख में फिर से घुस आए हैं? China mark yard our soldier in Galwan Ghati and moving from Aksai Chin to occupying Pangong Lake. Will Rajnath Singh ji condemn this also, or will he take some action?
Shame.
माँ के वीरों ने जो जान देश पे वारी है, दुश्मन की औकात नहीं, ये अपनों की गद्दारी है. After Pulwama, till now no action has been taken against the attackers. BJP government is responsible for this. Who is trying to hide their shortcomings? Thank you.
I request Honorable Member of the House to answer these questions.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, ma'am. I would like to remind them that Agnipath scheme was started because to give the opportunity to the current youth and also give them opportunity to learn the skills, to learn the new skills in their career. And also they are telling that after the retirement, what was their career? So in our country, various states give them the opportunity and relaxation of 10% in the government field. And also CISF and paramilitary forces also give them the 10% relaxation to the retirement persons. And after the Agnipath scheme, when before the Agnipath scheme was started, there is no one woman were there to join the armed forces as a soldier without military police. But when the Agnipath scheme was started, the male and the female was stand equally and they serve the nation equally. And they are talking about the Pulwama attack. So when that Article 370 was implemented, then only the Pulwama attack was started. Before it, there is no attack on the territory of the country. Why? Because they want the special status, and we are the country of the people, ma'am. We never give our territory to that people. And they also tell that the China Galwan Valley. So China and India now done the agreement in the BRICS meeting, ma'am. They are telling that we are not taking the step to the China and the Indian relations. We already take the stand of being implement comprehensively and effective implement, so that India's and the China's relation will become day by day.